Welcome back, YouTube family. This is SUBZERU Vlogs, back here with another video just for you guys. Man, y'all, we are almost there. We are almost at 8,000 subscribers, guys. 8,000 subscribers. Just want to say thank you, guys. I appreciate everyone for tuning in and watching the channel. Before we get to the video, though, I have a quick update. The wheels are almost done, guys. I should be getting the wheels and the tires next week. And I want to let you guys know the tire size is 295s, guys. We're going wide, we're going meaty, we're going beefy, we're going 295. It's gonna be crazy. I got mods. I got more mods. I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, guys, keep doing the right things in life. Keep staying motivated and keep staying humble, guys. Let's get it. Peace. Alright, y'all, so we back. So as you guys can see, I got a box of stuff here, got a box right here, and I got a vortex generator, which I'll get to in a second, guys. But I'm over here checking out my YouTube, checking out TJ Hunt, his video. Got all the games right there. You guys already know the spot, you already know. But anyway, let's get into the reason why you guys clicked on the video. So really quick, guys, shout out to LAS Fit Lighting, guys. LAS Fit Lighting, they actually had given me these lights a few months back. I just haven't had a chance to really get them installed yet, but these are the lights, guys, I got. These are my fog light bulbs, LED fog light bulbs. These things look absolutely amazing. Seen videos on them and I'm really excited to put them in to get that much better lighting. Hit up LAS Fit Lighting, guys. LAS Fit Lighting. I'm gonna put a video clip of some of the lights and see how they're supposed to look right here. So if you guys want LED bulbs, you want HID, for headlights, for fog lights, for high beams, whatever lighting you guys need, one more time, go to LAS Fit Lighting, get yourself some bulbs. All right, so let's go ahead and put this to the side. Bam. Bam, bam. So you guys already know I need to get a fog light kit. I have a base Subaru WRX 2015, so they do not come with a kit. So I went ahead and got myself the JDM kit, and man, woo, these things are so clean. Let me put these out the box for you guys. Hold up. Take these things out real quick. Woof. So yeah, it's the one with the LED strip, the LED light. Take off just this little portion so you guys can see a little bit better. But yeah, it's like that black with the flakes. Man, it looks super clean, y'all. It's gonna look super clean. So I got both sides. So you guys already know with my headlight, it's gonna be the LEDs on the bottom right here. The strip goes all the way across. And my headlights, you guys already know, it's got the HID, the halos, and it's got the C-Light kit from Speed. So this light right here is gonna match super perfect with my headlights. So as you guys can see, all the wirings are right here. The switchbacks, in case you guys wanna have them in daytime running lights or their headlights, whatever it is, all the wirings come with this package. Again, this is the JDM package. I got an IJDM, the Tokyo website. Obviously I need a bulb, so their kit comes with fog light, bezels, and the whole kit. So all you gotta do is come here, set this down real quick. So what you guys do is you pop this in and like your bumper side, and then you just literally just clip this in, and then it basically just is like that. So I have two options, guys, two options. This is what I really want to know from you guys. What should I do? I have the blue and purple, bluish purple, which is gonna match really, really well with my Subaru. This goes in the fogs, so it's gonna kind of be like that. This looks a lot more blue, but as you guys see, it's not like as blue, it's like a clear. You can think of it almost like, you know, a tint overlay. What's basically what it is? It's basically like, you know, window tint color, like clear. But I'm gonna go with blue and purple or yellow. Now the yellow is a little more of a brighter yellow. I haven't gotten it in yet. That part hasn't come yet. So what do you guys think? Do you think I should go with the blue and purple or the yellow? Plate in the front, I think the yellow will go really well with the car, and also I think the blue and the purple would also go well too. So put down below, guys, what you think I should go with. Do you think I should go with the purple and blue, or do you think I should go with the yellow? But also guys, one more thing. As you see, I have this vortex generator. It fits all Subaru WRX or Subaru WRX STIs from 15 to 20. This is OEM. This is from Subaru. If you're in Southern California and you're interested in getting yourself a vortex generator, hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up in the comments here, and I'll definitely hook you guys up. I think these are like $70 or $75 at Subaru. Anyone that's interested in this, I can give it to you for like 40 bucks. Super cheap, don't worry about it. As you guys can see, the Subaru number here, part number on here. I took off the case so you guys can see a little bit easier. The black, y'all already know, this is the stock, the OEM look. It's cool, but it's not really like, you know what I mean? Like, look at that. Now look at that. Now if I had like that, you see how, woo. If we take this out, right? Let's fit this in. See, that's that side. And that's that side. Dude, that looks sick. Oh my gosh. One more time, y'all. Look at that side. Look at that. That is clean. That is clean. Let me get to the other side real quick. But to take these off, like I said, it's very simple. You're gonna pinch these two, this line right here. You're gonna pinch it in the middle. You're gonna pull from the middle. So that way, the clips, they bend inside, so you're not gonna rip anything. So you wanna get from here, and you see how it pulls in that way? That's the way you're gonna wanna do it. And just pull from the middle, just like that. Pops right in, pops right out. So as you guys can see, fits super clean, fits super good. You can now see the black and sparkly to it. Much better than just the OEM plastic, fake carbon fiber kind of look. These just look really more dull, while these just really give off that much. Look at that. Woof, glistening. Now obviously we still have to do the fog bulbs. I haven't done that yet, but I'm just test fitting. I just want to see how this looks. And goodness gracious, this looks amazing. I'm gonna take some more videos and pictures for you guys. Overall, like I said, these things are in there. Like, these things are tight. Like fitment, there's nothing loose at all on this. It's in there, like this. Look at this, that's in there. So as far as fitment, these JDM lights so far, fitment, you get a thumbs up. I haven't seen the lights in person yet, but overall fitment and styling, which I love, thumbs up for sure. But one more time, guys, what do you think? You think I should go with the yellow, or you think I should go with the blue and the purple? Yellow or blue and purple, guys? Yellow fogs or that blue and purple you saw? I don't know, man. I kind of like the yellow, but that blue and purple is kind of sick too. Let me know what y'all think. Yellow to match the license plate, or the blue and the purple to match the wrap? Everyone's been following this channel, who's been liking the channel, and everything that you guys have been giving me as far as compliments, but more importantly, criticisms, what I can do to make the channel better. I really respect everyone that comments and try and do my best to comment back on everybody. So I really appreciate that. What you guys have told me to do and what you guys tell me to keep improving upon is making this channel better for everybody. I really, really appreciate it. So whatever I can do for you guys, please let me know what I can do so I can keep making the channel great. Everyone have a blessed day, have a great day. Remember guys, keep doing what you love, keep staying motivated, and inspire others. Peace.